Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 ways to make money very fast. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash or want to build up your savings, these tips will help you achieve your financial goals. So, without further ado, let's get started. Sell unwanted items online. The first way to make money fast is to sell your unwanted items online. Look for items around your house that you no longer need or use, such as clothes, electronics, or furniture. You can sell them on online marketplaces such as eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace. This is a great way to make quick cash and declutter your space at the same time. Participate in paid surveys. Another way to make money fast is by participating in paid surveys. There are many survey websites that will pay you for your opinions on various topics. Some popular survey websites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. The pay for surveys varies, but you can earn anywhere from a few cents to several dollars per survey. Drive for a ride-sharing service. If you have a car and some spare time, consider driving for a ride-sharing service such as Uber or Lyft. You can work whenever you want and earn money for every ride you give. This is a great way to make money on your own schedule. Offer freelance services. If you have a particular skill or talent, consider offering freelance services. You can offer services such as writing, graphic design, or social media management. Websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com are great places to find freelance work. Do odd jobs for others. If you're willing to do odd jobs for others, you can make money fast. Look for tasks such as dog walking, lawn care, or cleaning. You can advertise your services on websites such as TaskRabbit, Craigslist, or Nextdoor. Rent out your space. Finally, consider renting out your space. If you have a spare room or a parking spot, you can rent it out on websites such as Airbnb or SpotHero. This is a great way to make extra money without much effort. So, there you have it, 6 ways to make money very fast. Remember, these tips are meant to help you make money quickly, but they may not be sustainable in the long term. If you're looking for a more reliable source of income, consider starting a business or investing in stocks or real estate. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips.